नायब वज़ीर आज़म इशाक़ डार तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं।
To join our dear brothers from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to sign various agreements which you all witness now on reconstruction and rehabilitation projects being undertaken by the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center in Pakistan. On behalf of the people and the government of Pakistan, I extend my deep and sincere gratitude to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for its continued support and assistance to Pakistan in good times as well as in difficult phases. These agreements, which you all witnessed just now, would serve as enduring testament to the time-tested and fraternal relations between our two great countries. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and Saudi Arabia share a unique bond and has no parallel. The love and affection and a sense of brotherhood shared by our people cannot be seen in other parts of the world. We cherish each other's successes as our common successes. We also share each other's pain and sorrow and have never shied away from extending our support to each other. Our history is replete with such examples of friendship and brotherhood. In recent times, Saudi Arabia has been a solid rock, helping us navigate difficult economic challenges. The Kingdom's support has been critical in enabling us to stand on our own feet. And the recent one is their support for the conclusion of IMF program, which has just been few days back concluded in Washington. In the same vein, extensive rehabilitation, recovery, and reconstruction activities following the catastrophe floods of 2022 is one such area where our brothers from Saudi Arabia led the way and extended enormous support to Pakistan. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, through CARES relief, the people and government of Kingdom channeled their love and generosity for their brethren in Pakistan. We remain ever grateful to them and will never forget their act of kindness and generosity towards their brethren in hour of need in our beloved country. Pakistan is a resilient nation despite facing serious natural calamities in recent years. We have risen back to our feet, alhamdulillah. This has been made possible by the resolve and determination of people of Pakistan and help and support of our very dear friends like Saudi Arabia and other brotherly countries from the international community. Ladies and gentlemen, as a country that is among the most at risk from climate change, you know we only emit less than 1% carbon emissions globally, and we are one of the most 7 vulnerable countries in the world. And flash floods 2022 speaks all. But Pakistan is fully aware of the challenges that lay ahead. The floods of 2022 showed the scale of climate change related threats that Pakistan could face in future as well. More than 33 million people were
आप
affected.
बराह रास्त मुलाहिज़ा कर रहे थे कि नायब वज़ीर आज़म और वज़ीर ख़ारजा इशाक़ डार तकरीब से ख़िताब कर रहे थे। उनकी जानिब से कहा गया कि पाकिस्तान तेज़ी से तरक्की करने वाले ममालिक में शामिल है। किंग सलमान रिलीफ सेंटर के मंसूबे पाकिस्तान की आवाम के लिए अहमियत के हामिल हैं। सऊदी हुकूमत की मुसलसल मदद और बरादराना ताल्लुकात पर सऊदी हुकूमत के शुक्रगुजार हैं। पाकिस्तान और सऊदी अरब बरादर ममालिक हैं।